What's up? I'm Mr. Ruckman, your unemployed friend at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Your budget traveler, whatever the hell you want to call me. Check it out, I'm at Vietnam doing the Ha Giang Loop. Now, Ha Giang Loop's known for its beautiful scenic roads, so obviously I had to do it. Now, you start in Ha Giang City and you find a hostel that you want to ride with. You can go solo if you want. That's kind of what I wanted to do. That was my original plan, and just meet some people along the way to ride with. But I was told there was a lot of police on the road and there was checkpoints that you needed to get by. And so I was just a bit unsure. That's why I decided to go with a group. Going in this group, they did get me past one checkpoint, but other than that, I didn't see any other police. Now right now I'm going to catch up with the group I was with. I went with a group at YOLO Hostel. I highly recommend if you want to kind of just go with a small group. I'm just catching up with the group here. This was the first stop along the way. You just stopped for food. This guy was cool, he was a Jeep.
Just saying, bruv. Let's go.
We had like 5 people in the group at this point. We lost one along the way and we gained 2. The fella we lost along the way fell off his bike, but he was okay. We saw him on the way back in town and he had a broken collarbone from what I recall. It's me chewing on a toothpick because I'm just kind of a badass like that. See all these people riding past. This is exactly what I wanted to avoid. I didn't want to be in a group of like 30 to 50 people. It was just over the top. Now, a lot of the tourists do ride on the back of the bikes. If you're worried about riding on the roads because they are quite dangerous, then fair enough. There's no chance in hell I was going to do that. I wanted to ride the road. To me, there was no point in doing it otherwise. And I had gotten a bit of experience riding around Southeast Asia. This was the first time riding a semi-automatic bike as well, because you needed like gears to ride up some of these gnarly roads. And I kind of just learned along the way. You know, I've never been like a massive bike rider. I didn't grow up riding bikes or anything. I know that a lot of people that travel to Southeast Asia know about riding. I just figured it out, man. Actually wanted to just do the traveling on my own and not go with a group because of the limitations of that, you know, and not having the freedom to do what I want. But they kind of just made me follow them, man. I remember once I actually got lost and they like came out of their way to find me, and one morning I just wanted to have a coffee and like they were running late. They're like, no, we've got to make time, so you're coming with us now. And I was like, just I'll catch up with you. They didn't allow it, bro. So I just kind of had to cruise with them the whole time, and it was fine, it was good. I got to see everything, and part of this hostel deal was like you get food, they feed you, they take you to all these cool spots. Sometimes it's nice to just turn off your mind and just follow the crew and just not have to worry about that. But at the same time, you know, I like the freedom of doing whatever the hell I want. these views. Wow, cuz. If I'm going to keep doing this, I think I need my own catchphrase. I don't really want to be like an influencer per se. I just kind of want to get cool shots of my travels. For those that don't know, I'm a hip-hop artist, and I'm looking for other avenues to make revenue right now, and I want to keep traveling the world. I'm trying to catch up. You know, I didn't travel when I was younger. I only started traveling at the age of 27, and now I just want to see more of the world, experience more cultures, and I just figured I'll take along a GoPro and film it all, and throw it on my channel and hopefully make a bit of money so I can keep doing it. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy the views in 4K. I do really love parts like this in Southeast Asia where it's just the locals walking around with water buffalo in like small villages that are still getting developed. Like this guy on a bike, what is he up to? Like I would love to just like follow him around a day in the life and just see what this guy's doing, you know? Probably just cruising around like me, you know, just looking for something to do, looking to get into something. here's a good example of a place that I probably wouldn't have checked out if I didn't go with a group. You know, I wouldn't have known about this. I would have just ridden right past it. So sometimes you do miss all these cool spots when you don't go with a local tour group. This was all very Jurassic Park.
They're not dogs, bro.
Look at my sexy blue bike, man. I didn't name her. I should have gave her a name, but my bike matched my bum bag. Well, cuz. Here's the Chinese border. A lot of the locals smoke tobacco bongs. I wasn't about to do that, I would have died. But I can't even smoke a regular bong these days. This was the last stop on the trip, and here we go, heading home. And here we are back in Hanoi.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Now before you go, I just want to show you this really small, dank room I stayed in. As a budget traveler, you're going to see me staying in more places like this. I find them interesting, you know. I'm probably going to do more videos on just like the worst places to stay. Anyway, that was the Ha Giang Loop. I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around for the next video. Like, subscribe, all that BS. Big love. Till next time. Peace. And it's quiet up here as well. I'm going to have a beautiful night's sleep because I just did the Ha Giang Loop. Woo!